In this session, we will look into a few tricks that can be used in DataV Playground. So I have a payload here. Let me create a variable from the payload. I will call the variable as subtotal var is equal to payload dot subtotal. Okay, let me show what exactly it does. Okay, so in this payload, I have an array with three objects in it, and each object have subtotal in it, and it is basically getting converted to an array, and it is what subtotal is. Okay, say if I want to multiply to the subtotal with 10, and that value is coming from a different variable. So in the playground, what we can do is we can add that particular variable. Click on this plus symbol, then I will give name as multiplier. Okay, then I will give the value as 10. Okay, so if I want to multiply with this multiplier, then I will say subtotal map dollar into multiplier. See, that value is multiplied by 10 now. Okay, let me see it is a number. Okay, okay, so this is one thing. Other thing which we can use is we can use the logger within this playground. I'll show you how. If you simply give log and put the value which we want to see inside round braces and pull this log viewer, we can see. So from here we can see that the subtotal values are 35.98, 42.99, 42.98. So this is one thing I believe most of us are not using, but it is quite helpful. So that's it.